Bonjour mes amis, just Radhika Bansal, j'espère que vous allez bien. Friends, in the last chapter we learned about ask, but today we will be learning inversions. So for any answer statement, you can how to make a question out of it. For that we use inversions. Inversion is basically replacing object with the subject. So we will start with present tense first. It's the simplest to use. For example, do you speak French? Do you speak French? First we will choose the words that we want, and after that we will use the inversions for the questions. Now in this statement French don't have do word in the dictionary, so we don't convert to. The rest we will translate. So getting out of do from this statement, we'll get you speak French. How would you convert it? Is vous parlez français? Vous parlez français? Now using the inversion, parlez-vous français? Parlez-vous français? Same way, in an informal way, tu parles français? Tu parles français? Parlez-tu français? Parlez-tu français? Going towards our next example, do they speak French? Do they speak French? How do we say is, we will, again, we don't have do, so we will translate they speak French only. Parle-il français? Parle-il français? Now the inversion, parle-t-il français? They French do not in case of vowel they use T, they pronounce T also, so parle-t-il français? The next example is, do you like French music? Do you like French music? Again, we don't translate do, so how would it come out to be is, tu aimes la musique française? Tu aimes la musique française? Now the inversion, aimes-tu la musique française? Aimes-tu la musique française? We always put hyphen in between whenever we make a question, so therefore it is aimes-tu la musique française? The next is, does she have a dog? Does she have a dog? Again, there is no translation for does, so how would we say is, elle a un chien? Elle a un chien? The inversion is, a elle un chien? A elle un chien? Now this statement is how the pronunciation is incorrect. Between two vowels we always put T, and it will come out to be a tel un chien? A tel un chien? This is the correct pronunciation. Next is, are you going to theater this evening? Are you going to theater this evening? So how do we don't convert, we don't translate are you going in this statement, so how would we say is, you go to the theater this evening? You go to the theater this evening. Now the question will be, tu vas au théâtre ce soir? Tu vas au théâtre ce soir? This is the statement. Now the question inversion will be, vas-tu au théâtre ce soir? Vas-tu au théâtre ce soir? Or in a more formal way we will say, allez-vous au théâtre ce soir? Allez-vous au théâtre ce soir? This is it for the day. I hope you like this video. This is interesting for you. Au revoir. Bisous bisous.